Hi, this is Alina with H33. By 2031, every federal agency has to complete their post-quantum cryptography conversion. The standard vendor pitch? Rip out your infrastructure and replace it. 10 plus years, tens of millions of dollars per agency. There's a better way. It's called Agentic Post-Quantum Conversion, or APQC. Governed AI agents discover your existing cryptography, build the migration plan, orchestrate the conversion in place, and cryptographically prove every change. Not logs your IG has to trust. Portable, replayable proof any auditor can independently verify years later. Every action is bound to authority. We don't just prove a key signed something, we prove the agent was authorized to make the change. For government, APQC turns a decade-long capital project into a governed, repeatable operating model. Same 2031 deadline, fraction of the cost, fraction of the time, proof at every step. There's a lot of anxiety around the 2031 deadline. A PQC replaces uncertainty with proof. Thanks for watching.